Ta-ke-san will make citrus sour chicken or Tori no SUPPA-ni in Japanese this time. Quickly blanch the chicken drumettes. Prepare the boiled egg. Prepare the sauce for the chicken and egg. Mix 1:1 Ponzu sauce, Japanese citrus juice and water. If you do not have Ponzu sauce, use 200 ml vinegar, 6 tablespoons soy sauce, 6 tablespoons sugar with yuzu if you have. Add the sliced garlic and ginger. When the sauce boils, add the chicken and boiled egg.
Vinegar and citrus flavor are the key to make this dish.
Cover pot lid made by a cooking sheet over the ingredients. Simmer over medium heat for 15 minutes. Serve the SUPPA-ni on a plate. Garnish with pea pods. This light and refreshing chicken drumettes can be eaten as much as you like, even when you don't have much of an appetite. Wow. It is an energizing dish, especially on a hot summer day. If Ta-ke-san can do it, anyone can do it. He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube.
Thank you very much for your watching.